Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your subscription in Kajabi. Whether you're switching to a different platform or simply taking a break from your online business, knowing how to properly cancel your Kajabi subscription ensures you won't be charged unexpectedly. First, open your web browser and head over to kajabi.com. Once you're on the homepage, sign into your Kajabi account using your login credentials. This will take you directly to your Kajabi dashboard where you manage all aspects of your online courses and membership site. Now that you're in the dashboard, look toward the bottom of your left sidebar menu. Here, you'll find the settings option. Go ahead and click on it. This is your control center for all account-related configurations and customizations within Kajabi. Once you're on the settings page, you'll notice this is where Kajabi stores all your customization access for your account. Scroll down through the various options until you locate account settings. From this section, click on subscription and billing. This area holds all the details about your current plan and payment information. Under the subscription and billing section, you'll see your currently active plan displayed. Look for the Change Plan button and click on it. This will redirect you to a page where you can view different plan options and make modifications to your subscription. On the plan comparison page, scroll down until you find a section that says No longer happy with Kajabi. On the right side of this section, you'll see an option to cancel subscription. Click on it to begin the cancellation process. At this point, Kajabi will present you with a list of benefits and features their platform offers, essentially trying to remind you of what you'll be giving up. Take a moment to read through these if you'd like, but if you're certain about your decision, click on Cancel My Subscription. Next, you'll be presented with a special pricing offer as one last attempt to retain you. If you're still decided on canceling, click on Continue to Cancel. You'll now reach the final prompt to cancel your subscription. This page also offers help and direction if you're having trouble using the platform, giving you one more opportunity to reconsider. If you still want to push through with the cancellation, click on Finish Cancellation. Your subscription will now be canceled and you won't be charged for the next billing cycle. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.